Bonjour et bienvenue à Language Tester. Je m'appelle Gagandeep and I know you want to learn how to tell or ask the age in French. And you know, age is just a number, and if it is a number, then you have to know numbers in French language. So 1 year old will be un an. So un an, 1 year old. Deux is 2 and deux ans would be 2 years old. So deux ans. X and AR is combining. Why it is combining? This is liaison rule is there. Liaison rule, whenever there is a vowel or constant, sound will be combined. So deux ans. Trois ans. Quatre ans. Cinq ans. Six ans. Sept ans. Huit ans. Neuf ans. And 10 years will be 10 ans. You just have to add A and S. So 11 years will be 11 ans, then 12 ans, 13 ans, 14 ans, 15 ans, 16 ans, 17 ans, 18 ans, 19 ans, 20 ans. If it is 20 years old, then you will say 20 ans. Then 21 ans, 22 ans, 23 ans, 24 ans, 25 ans, 26 ans, 27 ans, 28 ans, 29 ans et 30 ans. 31 will be 31 ans, 32 ans, 33 ans, 34 ans, 35 ans, 36 ans, 37 ans, 38 ans, 39 ans, 40 ans. And somebody is 50 years old, we'll say 50 ans. 60 would be 60 ans, 70 would be 70 ans, and 80 would be 80 ans, and 100 would be 100 ans. Alright, so this is the way how we tell age with numbers. And now we practice avoir verb if you really want to complete the conversation. So you should know all the possible conjugations. So avoir verb we will use avoir, to have. In English language we use to be. We use to be, like I am 20 years old, 30 years old, 40 years old. We are using I am. So this is to be verb of English language. But in French language we use I have. Okay. When you are speaking English, so you can say I am. But when you are speaking French, you have to say j'ai. You cannot say je suis. So you have to say j'ai. Then conjugation is tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. So j'ai is I have basically. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. This is the conjugation of avoir verb. Now you have to use this. How to form question with this? Tu as quel âge? What's your age? Tu as quel âge? If you want to ask age in informal manner, you can say tu as quel âge? Tu as quel âge? Or you can also say quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? What's your age? This is informal manner. Tu as quel âge? Or quel âge as-tu? In reply, you could say j'ai. If you are 30 years old, you can say j'ai 30 ans. J'ai 30 ans. My age is 37. I'll say j'ai 37 ans. J'ai 37 ans. Tu as quel âge? Now you have to tell your age. Tu as quel âge? This is informal manner. Okay. You can use informal conversation with friends and family only. Il a quel âge? Il a quel âge? What is his age? Elle a quel âge? What is her age? On a quel âge? What is our age? Nous avons quel âge? What is our age? So on is informal and nous is formal. So when you are speaking in your formal relationship, you can say nous avons quel âge? What's our age? Vous avez quel âge? This is formal one. What is your age? Tu as quel âge? This is informal. Vous avez quel âge? This is formal one. Vous avez quel âge? Or you can also say quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge avez-vous? Vous avez quel âge? What's your age? Or quel âge avez-vous? You can change the order of this. Vous avez quel âge? Quel âge avez-vous? Reply would be same j'ai. Like I'm 37 years old, I'll say j'ai 37 ans. Vous avez quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? What's your age? Et ils ont quel âge? And elles ont quel âge? Whenever there are feminine plural. So this is the way how we ask age in French. I hope you got this video. And if you want to practice with numbers. And if you want to know the complete numbers, you can watch my video again. In the description, you will find the link of that video. If you like my video, you can like the video, subscribe my channel and share with your friends who are interested to learn French. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.